How to make stickers in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, click on the chat where you want to create stickers. Click on stickers, option located at bottom left. Then you'll find sticker option again, click on it and then click on create. After you click on create, select any picture from your gallery you want to create sticker of. As you can see, sticker has been created. Just click on arrow located at bottom right and send it. As you can see, it has been sent in sticker way. You can simply find these stickers again in the same section beside create. And this is how to make stickers in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.